guys, don't forget to follow my merch store. It's Mastermind. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You know it's a girl dipped in chocolate. So today I'll be washing and treating my hair with the aloe vera leaf. So this has a lot of nutrients in it for your hair. So today I'll be using this to treat my hair alongside other oils and other things. So right now I got the aloe vera leaf from my auntie's house, so I'm going around my house now to treat it and wash it. So guys, come on with the journey of my hair. People, new growth. I don't even know if to put this down. People, you guys know that I had in some bob braids, and as I see the root right here, so yes, it's right here, so the braid them is there. So the word of this right here, so is new growth, because I use the aloe vera leaf before to treat my hair and wash it before I put in the braids. So yeah, new growth. Look on that. Just imagine I'm having it in for approximately 2 months. Russia, you had it in my video.
I had it vlog.
So I had it in for approximately 2 months. So yeah, new growth right there. So I'm gonna see it right. I'm gonna see it on a line, me I tell. So the aloe vera bar. Aloe vera have a buzz. See that too? The aloe vera have a buzz. So I'm gonna go around, stop chatting now. I'm gonna go around, go put it on show now how to do it in my head and wash it on them somebody. So stay tuned. People bear in mind, say me also plant the aloe vera in my backyard. Like I get one little sucker and put it in a something here. Yeah, I plant it in my backyard. Yeah, Dipped in Chocolate is a farmer and a YouTuber and a school girl. Ambitious man. So guys, I started before. So I cut up the aloe vera, I cut off the sides them, the juky part of the sides them, and all of that. I'm gonna scrape out the slimy part here. So now I got part my ear in sections. Like my ear are the part in sections. 1 section, 2 sections, 3, and this was the 4th section. You see? I made the aloe vera catch each and every section of my hair, inside and out. I also put it on the roots, the scalp, and I put it at the ends of my hair. You guys realize that my ear is dyed out. The reason why my hair died for a long time, about 1.5 years now, my hair died for, and I realized it not drop off, it not tear out, it not nothing. That means say my ear get techier, right? Some persons dye out them ear and them ear a tear out and everything, and them have complaints about everything. My ear good, it not tear out, it not nothing, and me dye my ear more than 1 time for the 1 ear. But tell them to say my ear, it does healthy and strong. I use this, sometimes egg use rice water. Sometimes I don't use nothing at all. I just use my Perlene conditioner and shampoo and just deal with it. So I go, see? You say yaki bar. What it look like? Yaki bar. So them natural things I'm using on my ear. I'm just put it on the ends and comb it through. Scrape it through my ear. People, bear in mind that my ear is very knotted. Like it is knotted, because I leave it uncombed for 2 days. Like I ever do that. Anytime I pull out a protective hairstyle, it's just I feel like I can't bother with my ear, because I get so used to not combing it that I just leave it or it stay. And that's that. I don't have enough aloe vera. So I just kind of use them I have. I still try get it through my ear as much as possible. Let me stop the talking. I'm going to go and listen to some music or some beat or something. side already. This side of left back. Oh my god, people, people. It's kind of stressing in now. It's mad, but it worth it because it's a girl length I come in. Right as I must tell this part of me here actually. Tell this part of me here. So over so dry? No, brother. No, sister girl. Say, man, I'm good and okay. So, to make it steam, so basically this process is the steaming process I'm gonna use. I'm not gonna just have my ear out, I'm gonna have my ear now a scandal bag. A scandal bag can trap heat from the sun, which can steam me hair with the aloe vera upon the ear, right? So I'm gonna show now. I say, me just do everything natural, you know. You know, some people that have on the cap, but me I use the scandal bag because I'm different. So you put the scandal bag over your head like this. You try to make sure say scandal bag is loaded. You try to make sure that all of your hair is tucked and no all the sideburns to get tucked on. Everything get when I reach. Make sure you say now. Alright, so you're going to tie the back of it. Yeah, you. Cha. What you got? What you got? What we need cap for? Even though you see this one up on my head is a very expensive something because this scarce bar. So if you can this scarce bar because it banned from Jamaica. Yeah, so it's scarce bar. So if you have anybody with the inner so of a scandal bar on a rich bar because I have something where nobody not have rich bar. So people are gonna make it steam for at least 10 to 15 minutes and then I go wash it. I go wash it, rinse it, and then I go twist it up and plait it up. When I twist it up and plait it up, then I'm going to wait a little day. You know, it's a journey. You know, this ear tutorial is a journey because after I'm gonna do my ear, I'm gonna show you my ear, the process of doing my hair, and you're gonna see, and you must just make sure say una comments for everything in the comment section for like we can fix up everything. Show me y'all hair tutorials how you guys grow your hair. You can share it with me and I can share what I use in my hair with you guys. So yeah, just wait me there. Wait.
So guys, now I'm gonna wash it and I'm gonna use this. Come on. Yes, it's the man. The Pearline egg and protein shampoo. So wash it and I'm gonna use the conditioner to rinse it. So I'm gonna take a people bear in mind. So me have this in my head over. I have it in my head over the 5 to 15 minutes. Then in my head for about half an hour or even 1 hour because look at the coils. I'm telling you, they're cool, you know. They're cool. Say cool, girl, she. Alright. So, in the bathroom, as you can see. So people, my other have this. control the water in my ear because more can control the water. Because me afraid to wash my ear now because me believe in never drown. But me have to wash it. Me love the process of washing it, but sometimes it's when the water part turn on my head. So me like to have it in my head. So first of all, I'm gonna throw it. I'm gonna throw it. I'm gonna just rinse out the aloe vera out of my ear a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna rinse out the aloe vera out of my ear a little bit. And then, have him said, the aloe vera tastes good, but it's good for you, you know. Let's wash your hair.
Yes, people, so I saw my ear look it shrink after I done wash it and everything. This is how it looks. The shrinkage is real. So I look when time I done wash it. So now I'm gonna use this. What the hell? And eyelet. Use this and eyelet. And make a plait it up. I'm going to plait them. Yeah. And then when I go see when I plait up my eyelid and everything. And then I'm going to show you what I do my ear Tuesday or Wednesday. Which is tomorrow. Tomorrow or Wednesday. I believe I'm going to do it Wednesday. So I'm going to do it Wednesday. When I go see girl ear, write this song. See the granny platter people. But I go do the pop smoking, but me not bother, but tired. I'm there watch Great Anatomy. People watch a cup on ear. Watch a look how much ear come out of my head. Oh poor little head. This not good. This color we can play ball with it. People, stay tuned for my hairstyle next. So guys, I did my own ear. The parting wasn't excellent, but I tried. I got little help from my sisters to do it. So yes, I tried and tried and tried until I succeeded. Well, it took me 2 days, and so now I'm at watering it so that the ends can be straightened. And guys, to be honest, it's my first time doing this hairstyle, and it's really a big deal for me because I didn't think that I could do it. Like I literally sit down and I was like, wonder if I can do this. I watch a lot of YouTube videos and I'm like, oh my god, wonder if I can do this, if I can pull this off. Then I just get up and I go for the gel and everything. I just say, okay, I'm going to do it. And yeah, people bear in mind this water was so hot. Like it did hot and it did a burn me, but me have to play it off like say it not hot because it's a video and I don't want to turn me now. I mean, yes. So just watch. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We're on the road to 1,500 subscribers because we reached the 1,000. We'll give a giveaway at 1,500 so that we can reach the 2,000. See you guys. Guys, so my ear done. Yeah, so please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching and just big up on yourself. I wasn't intending on doing a video with my hair, that's why I not get the full video and me I do it and everything, but me say why not show you say my have views people this is the first time me I do this style first time. I'm a believe say I'm going with myself first time me I do this because I ask a couple people to do me ear for me and them say no. Then I say no, them a go around it. Watch out this. Them a go around it. So I sit down and I just make up my mind. I can't stop touch it. I can't stop touch it because of my work. So I sit down and I make up my mind. Say, Ray, I'm gonna do it myself. So guys, please comment, subscribe, like, turn your post notification to be notified when I post again. Let's go out with myself. Guys, don't forget to follow and buy my merch. Follow the merch store called Icla Lipgloss for it's gonna be down in my description below. Don't forget to follow it. Lipgloss nice. Everybody will buy it if I say best lip gloss ever. I'm not exaggerating, not because of my product, I'm not exaggerating. See my lip them ever nice and shine and pretty? Yes. At this we use. At this. Show me a hold the phone with me. Watch it. It bring off my entire look. It bring off my entire look. So guys, go in the description below and follow the page and you can order it. You can put an order in the comment section. I'm gonna give you my business number and call me and get the merch delivery, free delivery depending on where you live. So if you live far, delivery will cost you, but if you live like near my community Glengoff, free delivery. So people just go follow the merch and just big up on yourself.